The thoughts is where it started. You got to start knowing that you really him. You got to start knowing that you really her. Ye are all gods. Why wouldn't I be thinking I'm really him? Why wouldn't you be thinking that you really her? It just makes sense. Because you are her. And you are him. This is why I am. I, self, law, am master. Like, what you mean? That's not cocky. That's just Gnostic, esoteric knowledge. That's it. And that's your birthright. That's not something that somebody could give you, transfer, take away from you. That's your birthright. It's not cocky to know that you know. You feel me? It's not like braggadocious to know that you are her. It's not braggadocious to know that you him. Because you are that. It's just the balance between that fine line of confidence and cocky. Because everything has a principle of duality. Confidence being on 10 is different than somebody's ignorant and being on 10.
And this is the age of truth. And the truth doesn't need to be scared of the fact that people tell lies.
It's a whole lot of people, they swear they confident, but they really coming from a place of ignorance. But they on 10 though. You can't tell them shit. They on 10. They on 100. But it's all cap. The knowledge is the balance. Because when you say you know, you ain't got to do all that extra fancy, all that other extra shit. You just knowing. So when you knowing, you just be. Somebody who ain't knowing, they got to try to prove who they is and try to seek validation. And somebody that know they really him and somebody that know that she really her, first of all, you don't get no fuck. You don't care about no outside validation. I don't need nobody to validate me. And you don't need nobody to validate you.